that thing starts running up this hill, I'm so done.
If he starts coming this way, we should just back away.
Wow. He's
There, buddy.
He's definitely
Maybe time to back up a little bit.
Yeah. What?
Yeah,
That's so freaking cool.
that's a bigger one.
Oh shoot, I didn't even see that one.
Oh, he's a good boy. Look at that.
What's up? It's freaking almost 1 o'clock in the morning in Alaska, and Alyssa is about to freaking land because she's flying up for one of the weekends that I'm working. We're gonna go do some things tomorrow, and it's gonna be super fun. But first, I need to go to the airport to pick her up. I'm so freaking tired, so I'm chugging Mountain Dew right here so that I can actually freaking stay awake, and it's not working. I'm like about to fall asleep. I'm on the way to the airport. I don't know what to put in this vlog. I haven't done a vlog in so freaking long. Look at this. It's Alaska in the middle of the night. Isn't that crazy? Wow. I found her. We made it.
Hi.
It's 2 in the morning and we finally made it. It's really late, so we're gonna go to bed. Bye. It's a little windy. I know. Let's go get the views and then go back to the car. We think we just saw whales. I'm like literally 99% sure that we saw whales. Yes, those are, oh, that's so cool. There's a whole bunch, I see them, yeah. Oh my God, what? Those are all whales. Wow. That's so cool. They're like, there's over there too. It's like everything right here. Unless they're dolphins. They're like actually jumping out.
Whatever it is, it's alive.
And there's a lot of them. We're in the car now because it's cold. That's so cool. I think they're dolphins. Because belugas are white. Those are definitely black. Worth the trip up here?
Uh-huh.
Yeah. Oh, yeah, I saw the back of one there. And look at the view. Like, what? My goodness. And Alyssa's here.
Hi.
Yeah. It was great.
They keep coming. Like, it's been a good 10 minutes and they're still hot.
Yeah. That's so cool. We made it.
We made it.
This is definitely not take 2 because I didn't even realize that I wasn't recording. Where are we? We're at the Alaska Wildlife Conservation Center. Wow, look at the moose. Let's go see the moose. Remote left in vehicle. It's in my pocket. Relax. I came here last week with my coworkers when I knew Alyssa was coming out, and this place was really cool when I came, so we wanted to come here again. She got these little slippers. Sick. We bought this thing for Lucia, and then I got like a freaking tank top, and then we got an ornament as well for our little tree. Pretty epic. All right, now we're gonna go see a couple of the animals. We found freedom. Yay. And the owl. Hello, owl.
Are you saving your food for later? Yeah?
Oh, ew. Yeah, there's a couple just dead rats. Nice, buddy. Spiny boy. When we were here last time, he was trying to climb out right there.
Really?
Yeah. They can climb. It's kind of crazy. Freaking magpies. There's one up there. What the heck are you doing, dude? Oh, whoa, hello. What? So cool. Bro, calm down, man.
Let's get steps in before end of the day.
Goodness sake. Whoa, he's right here. Look at that. Whoa. He's just chilling.
Good guy.
That's so cool.
How's your dinner? Is it to your satisfaction? I didn't think they looked that furry.
I know. Just want to pet it.
I know.
That's so cool. Look, it's Rudolph. We ate Rudolph for breakfast. We had reindeer sauce. Whoa, look at the antlers. What? That's huge. Wow. Christmas in August.
What is he doing?
Maybe he was outcast.
Oh.
Oh, wood bison hide. Whoa. Have you ever heard of a muskox? I've never heard of a muskox.
What's going on over there? Those two were like jumping at each other.
Wait, really?
Yeah.
Are they fighting? They are. What? Whoa. They're squaring up. What? That's awesome. Look at that. What? Danger muskox. Wow. Hello, danger muskox.
Hi, buddy.
Freaking cool. Look at that. Come to the bear habitat to see ravens. That's crazy. Such a big bird. So cool. I think it's just too cold for the bears.
Yeah.
Last week we saw bears, which was cool. What? I've seen bears. We got bears. We got bison over there. Wood bison. Danger bison.
It's like trying to move a stick.
Whoa, yeah, what? What? What is he doing?
I wonder if that's them scratching their heads.
Maybe. What is he doing?
They're both doing it, like two of
Oh
them.
yeah, there's another one over there. What are they doing? What? That's awesome. What the heck? I think it is scratching. I think you're right. They got big sticks on their head, but they can't use them to scratch themselves. Look at the buffalo. Alaska wood bison.
Looks like a good bird.
A good burger. There's baby ones. What?
Let's get out here.
Alright, yeah. Parking brake is a button. Park is a button. Everything is a button. Turn off the car is a button. Buttons, buttons, buttons.
The closer we get to that, the more like ice I'm seeing.
Yeah, up there, that's crazy. There's a train. Oh, here, there it is. Oh, that's a train. Train. I like trains. Don't. You're such a... Look at the tongue. Touch his tongue. Touch it. Touch it. Touch it. What? That's awesome. What? Don't get bit. He don't like you. Do it again. Do it again. Don't say no to me. Do it again, bison son. No, he was rolling around in the mud. Look at the clouds around the mountains and everything. Look at this. That's so cool looking. The walls are moving. They're all standing up. It's so close.
Can I get in now? Woo!
Oh, whoa, there's the bear. See it?
Yeah.
Oh. So cool. There's a bear. Black bear. Whoa, yep, there it is. So cool. Wow. Lots of mud. Yes. Oh, there's literally a walkway like right there. Oh no! Alyssa! Why? Why would you do that? Oh my goodness.
Good thing I have a backup pair of shoes in the car.
Goodness gracious. It's just right there. That's so cool. That's awesome. Hold on, let me get Alyssa's backup pair of shoes here. Here's your shoes. Worth it to see the head of a moose.
We could have walked around.
We literally could have walked around. But where's the fun in that? Oh my god. They're just staring at you like, we got you covered. We're going to make your feet out. Oh my god. Not the voice that I had in mind. That was cool.
Yeah.
10 out of 10. Alright, you ready? You gotta trust me. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Alright, let's wait for the train to cross though. Don't want to get by the train. That's awesome. That was so cool. Look at how beautiful it is. It looks so cool. My feet are wet. Oh, all right, whatever. It's happening. Oh no. Oh, yeah, it's moving down. Oh, it's a daddy long leg. Whoa. Do you hate me yet?
No.
Oh, good. Whoa. Not gonna climb that because that's dangerous, but wow, look at that. Whoa, that's so cool. That's epic. Whoa.
Glacier water.
Yeah. Good job. So was it worth it?
Yeah.
Yeah. See? I
Because
told
now
you.
your shoes are wet.
Ah, it's cold. We went to those 2 waterfalls. That was so much fun. Just like that, she's freaking leaving. I'm here for another week, and then I finally get to go back home. Have a worth it to see the head of a moose.
We could have walked around.
We literally could have walked around. But where's the fun in that?